Hello everyone, welcome to Code Crafters Lab. So today we are going to see the GCD of two numbers problem from TUF Plus. So let's try to understand it. So here we are given with two integers n1 and n2, and we need to find the greatest common divisor of the two given numbers, and we have to return that particular number here. And what is the greatest common divisor? It is the largest positive integer that divides both of the numbers that are given n1 and n2. So here in the first example we can see n1 is 4 and n2 is 6. So output is 2 because in n1 it gets divided by 1 2 4 and n2 is get divided by 1 2 3 6. So basically there are no remainders. If we divide n2 by 1 2 3 or 6 by any of these number, if we divide, then there are no remainders, so that's why it is a divisor. And what is the greatest number out of these 3 and these 4? It is 2, right? Common largest number, right? In this case also it is 1 because 8 and 9 we can see 139 can divide 9, and 1 2 4 8 can divide 8, right? So 6 and 12, we know 6 can divide 12, so it is the greatest common divisor because after 6 there is no point, right? Because 7 can't divide 6 and it may divide 12 but it can't divide 6. So let's try to write a pseudocode for this. So let's say what we will do, we will take one int GCD equal to 1, because we know if n, let's say n1 equal to 20 and n2 equal to 40, we know, right, 20 is the greatest common divisor because we can divide it 40, and in this case 1 is common between these two. 1 can divide 20, 1 can divide 40, so we can declare int GCD equal to 1 directly. Yes, we can. Then we can run one for loop for I equal to 2 I equal to 2 till what we have to run? We have n1 and n2, right? So in earlier example we saw, right, 6 is the GCD because 6 is lowest between n1 and n2, and it is like a best case where 6 is the GCD. Even if it is not, there is no point going after 6. So why 6 is lesser between n1 and n2, so we can apply same logic here. We can apply, let's say, minimum of n1 and n2, right? Till that time we have to run this particular loop, and after that we will check. We know how to check the divisor, right? n1 modulo I equal to 0 and n2 modulo I equal to 0. Yes, this is the condition, right? So in that case what we will set, GCD equal to I, and here we will return GCD. So why we are not checking for the any condition for the like the largest number? Because we know the loop is running from 2 to further, right? Minimum of n1 and n2, and it is anyway in the incremental order, so we don't have to check specifically for it. But this is like a brute force approach. And what is the time complexity? Time complexity for this, it is O of minimum of n1 or n2, right? We are running loop like this, and space complexity is O of 1 because we are not using any extra space, right? So let's try to code this. Int GCD equal to 1, then we'll run one loop. Int I equal to 2. From 2 we will run I equal to 2, I is less than equal to mat dot minimum of n1 comma n2, right? And after that I plus plus. In this loop what we'll do, we'll check whether it's a divisor or not. n1 modulo I equal to 0, and then n2 modulo I equal to 0. We'll set GCD equal to I, right, and we'll return here, return GCD to execute it. Yes, it's pass in both the cases. So now what we'll do in the next lecture, we'll try to see can we make it better. Thank you for watching.